Bali, the island of the gods, is a captivating destination that weaves together natural beauty, vibrant culture, and spiritual enchantment. The Balinese tradition kitchen is a sacred space, meticulously designed to harmonize with nature and honor the gods.
Thank you so much from Lighthouse National University of Singapore. We are so grateful for your kind and warm hospitality. We are overwhelmed by it, and we are looking forward to further collaboration with you here. We have done many cultural events here, learning about Balinese dance and music, and the making of the flower offerings, as well as the Balinese kitchen. And our students have benefited so much from today. So as a reflection, I'm also thinking of collaborating in research with Prof. Ayu, who is your 4th Vice Rector, IPB International, and we hope that even as we study sustainability, we can make this partnership sustainable for the future. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much for this space. It's been wonderful to see how IPB International has created the environment to help us understand Try Kita Kerana. For me, my time this morning has reminded me of the importance of relationships, and if we could do more across the world to build good relationships with one another and with the planet, and be less focused on the money, it will be doing better as a species. So thank you for the time and the space.
IPBI!
IPB Internasional. Quality is our prime concern.